In this lecture, we will learn how to add text to our sketches, which can later be embossed or engraved. So I have two examples here. This is embossed and this is engraved. Okay, so now let's learn how we can add text to our sketches. So I'm going to come up to the top and select um, text. Yeah, so if we click on that, we can see a toolbox pops up over here. Number one is text, which is just a text box. And then this is the text on path. Yes, I'll demonstrate that to you briefly. Yes, so this is where we have predefined geometry or path, and our text will conform to that path we are going to draw for it. So let's start with the text box. So we are going to left click once, origin, and draw a box. Enter. So you can see some sample text in place already. So I'm just going to go ahead and input Fusion 360. So over here we can change the font. And also with the typeface, there is bold and there is italic. And this is the height, but it's essentially the size of it. So if we should change it to, let's say, 15, you see the size increases. So it's essentially height. But I'm going to leave it at 8 for the time being. And also we have the character spacing. We can choose to this determines the spacing between each of the elements. So we can choose to increase this to, let's say, 20. And we can see the spacing between the characters of increased. And also we have the option to flip. You have the option to flip it. Um, and also alignment. You have the option to adjust the alignment according to how we want it. Let's keep it here. Yes, and also we have the option to change the angle. Okay. Yeah, but for the purpose of the video, let's keep it here at 0 degrees. Okay. Alright. Now let's look at text on a path. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to draw a center point arc. Now let's come up to the create tools and select text. Now over here, we need to make sure our text on path is selected. And then first of all, we need to make sure our path is also selected, which is the arc we've drawn. And then yes, our range of options appears again. So we already have the sample text. I'm going to go ahead and input hello, hello world. And we can make any adjustments we made with the text box inside here too. Now over here, we have the option to input the text on the other side of the path. So to do this, you just come over here to placement and then you can select this or this. Now we have the fit to path option. This is going to make sure it starts from the beginning and then ends at the end.